In today's video, we focus on the topic real-time ordering. With the planning software Project Complete, it is possible to configure individual terminal strips and transfer it directly to the Phoenix Contact webshop for ordering. Now, let's take a look at how this works. With the help of the software, you have set all the bridges, positioned the markings, and thus placed necessary accessories. To ensure that your configuration is technically fine, click on Autocorrection. The planning software checks your solution and makes adjustments automatically if necessary. To order, open the Order Calculation tab in the menu bar. If you choose our Fastline 2 or 4 portfolio, a delivery in 2 or 4 days is possible. Standard orders are delivered within 8 days. By clicking Check, the software checks whether the selected articles are available for this delivery option. After a successful check, the order can be continued by clicking on Add to Basket. The changes to the configuration or to the project, which have been made during use of the autocorrection function, must be saved beforehand. To do this, click on OK. Then a window will open to create the order. Please read through the order information and then click on Next. In the second step, the part list is displayed so that you can check whether all the required components are included. Also select the required delivery mode here. Enter your login data in the next step and then click on Next. Finally, a summary is displayed and you can now upload your configuration to the Phoenix Contact webshop for ordering. After successful upload of the project, you can go directly to the Phoenix Contact webshop by clicking on My Solutions. All transferred projects are already stored under the My Solutions section. Here you can view your uploaded project or request again, and then add it to the shopping cart. After the ordering has been completed, our Value-Added Service Center equips the mounting rail just in time, so that you as a customer receive your personal terminal strip as quickly as possible. The planning software Project Complete Planning makes ordering processes easier, faster and more transparent than ever before. No matter where in the world you produce, you will receive your goods in the same quality, as well as quick support in case of capacity utilization peaks through our terminal strip service. Increase efficiency of your control cabinet building with Project Complete Planning.